You can't turn your phone while recording. Okay, that's really dumb. Okay, guess we'll just record vertically again. Not really what I was hoping for.
Maybe we should Denver. Smash it. We need a shovel there.
Okay. I have power to the shields. Hi, Grandma.
Which grandma?
Grandma Steen.
Hi, Grandma Steen.
Okay, here we go.
How does Grandma get on so fast?
She probably gets a notification.
There's another person on, Daddy.
That's Grandma Steen again, saying hi. Okay, we're going, everyone is driving me to work. She said hi again.
Well, you're driving. Oh, yeah, you're driving.
Right, but you guys are bringing me.
The snow is so good for snowballs.
Dude, this car goes through the snow like nothing. I can't even feel it.
Are you supposed to feel snow?
Well, when it's deep, some cars like drift all over the place and like be all weird. Okay, there the back end spun.
We have four-wheel drive.
Grandma wrote ho ho ho. I have
It's not.
to answer your.
You think it's Christmas, but really it's not even Halloween.
I have automatic four-wheel drive on, which means when it feels the back wheel spin, it starts the front ones to help. But if it doesn't need it, it doesn't do it. Okay? Okay. So we are currently headed back south.
We had a snowball fight with our friends before we left. Yeah, the snow's so good.
You guys weren't watching the live stream earlier, right?
No.
So when I stopped at this intersection up here to turn left, I stopped a little early because I was like, oh, I need to stop early because it's slick, and it just kept sliding. Like if there would have been a car, I would have hit it. I couldn't have controlled it because it was so slushy, it couldn't control anything. And I was going only like 15 miles an hour and already stopping early.
50 or 15?
50. No, I'm just kidding. 15.
I can't believe it snowed 7 inches.
Yes.
When Alexa said 0.58 or something.
7 inches in just a few hours.
Alexa
Look at the
said-
snowplows. Look at them.
Alexa,
Oh, that was what's his name from church? Daniel Stenstrude's husband.
was it?
Yeah, because she wrote on the thing earlier that he's out plowing, and then I saw him. That was him
Were
again.
they speeding? Alexa said
No.
like 0.5 inches, and then she said like 0.2 inches.
It just looks like they're speeding because they're blasting snow all over the place super fast. But no, the speed limit's 30.
Yeah, Dad, imagine if you were standing in the way of this.
And they look at how wet it is. It's like so sloppy of snow.
Let's
go and let's splash.
Woo! Whee!
That was fun.
Definitely doesn't look like October 19th.
Oh, imagine how much snow do you think we got in just like an hour?
Well, at one point it was like 1.5 inches. Between when you came home.
Between when I came home and left, it went from what, 5 to 6.5?
No, it went from 5 to 7.
Now watch how much less snow there is at the church. Just a few miles away.
It went from 5 inches to 7 inches while you're. The snow's getting really dirty.
Oh yeah, yeah, because the slushy road is splashing up on it.
So how much was there at church?
There was way less at church. I mean, it was snowing, but it wasn't deep like this.
Where are you going?
But my sister sent me a picture in Ames, and it was green grass.
That's funny.
Yeah. What are these little birds doing? Run!
Daddy, why are you going this way?
I just like to go different ways sometimes to see what the weather's doing in a different spot, and the roads and all that.
It looks like the road is literally a mirror.
It does look like it's a mirror.
What do you mean?
Everything's reflective.
It's all shiny and reflecty because of the water. Yeah, when they took the drone up, the visibility was pretty low too. Like you could only see so far.
The
I mean,
clouds
you could
were
probably
low.
see like 15, 20
Why
miles
is the
away. but
sky
then it started.
gray?
Because it's all clouds.
It's like completely gray on the side. Oh my god. And then you just need us to pick you up at 5, right?
Yep. Unless Tanner can get me right home.
Oh, yeah, I don't.
He might be able to, unless he's staying. If he's staying to work or something, then I'll let you know, because he comes around 3:45.
Who's watching now, Daddy?
Who's watching? Well, Grandma Steen just asked where you headed as a family. They are bringing me to work after lunch because we only have one car. In the motorcycle, well, it probably could have rode in this, but wouldn't have been very comfortable. Slushy and wet and cold. Randy Kleinfelter is watching. Kevin Burr is watching. Gina Bresson is watching, or they were. I don't know if they still are. It doesn't tell me when they leave.
Wait, Gina and Josh?
Nope. Different Gina, spelled with a J. It's friends with Brian and Andrea back in the day. Gina is spelled with a G. Gina Matthews. Our neighbor is named Gina with also a G.
He has a snowman hat on.
Can we open the sunroof?
No.
What would happen?
I don't know, we
Snow
get
would
really
fall
wet.
in? Because
It's full of snow.
it would push it, and then once the sunroof hit the edge, then it would all fall.
Hey, you guys want to hear about Grandpa called me about maybe a car?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to
What
look
car?
at your things.
What car?
Maybe a car. It's a 2013 GMC Acadia.
Isn't that the one you wanted?
Yeah, it's a Chevy. Yeah, it's the one I wanted. He said it has everything but a DVD player. Ah.
But that means we won't have movies for when we go to Minnesota.
Well, we wouldn't take that to Minnesota. It's small like my Trailblazer.
So it would be your car.
Yeah, it'd be just like my car, just a newer version of it.
Is it still black?
Yeah, he said it's black on black. Black interior, black exterior. And it's the year that I wanted.
Is it four-wheel drive?
It's four-wheel drive.
Is it back-wheel drive?
It's back. No, I don't know. I have to research that. It's all-wheel, I think. I don't think you push a button. I think it's just always all-wheel.
Really?
But I don't know.
That'd be cool.
That's a good question. I'd have to research that.
I'm not doing it.
But we'll have to see. We don't know yet. Just looking. He doesn't have it yet, so.
Did you call the bank?
That's not
No, it's our credit still shows the 2.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Show it.
Well, one company does still.
The double mortgage.
Yeah.
When we don't have a double mortgage.
Yeah. But we have 4 or 5 days anyway, so, and it's changed every day. Isn't that crazy?
That is really weird. I wonder how long it'll take to take off that other.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure things are slower with I was gonna say the derecho with 2020 with the quarantining and the COVID and the people working from home. And look at that Expedition. Beast. Well, the roads are just not that bad.
No.
They melted. Well, the ground is very warm, so. But let's see. The snow still seems to be quite a bit here. It's gonna be hard to tell because I feel like it's melting pretty fast too.
Do you think we can go ice skating on that one lake yet?
Oh no, no. There's nothing is. Everything is still melting.
Lydia, it's ice skating, not ice.
Hopefully, there's nothing illegal about our vehicle right now.
Lydia, it's ice skating, not.
Is there anything illegal about our vehicle right now?
It's ice skating, not ice skating.
Well, it's 55. I'm going 40, so.
Ooh, let's go to Hardee's.
Probably turn my headlights on.
Can we go to Hardee's?
Why is it even called Hardee's? It has a star.
I don't know what Hardee's stands for.
It's probably someone's last name.
Think so? Can't remember. It's 50 or 55. Is it 50 or 55 here? Plus 2. roads are definitely all clear, huh? You cannot play Christmas music. That's illegal. It's beginning to look a lot like Xmas. No abbreviating. No abbreviating.
Definitely very wet and stuff on all the trees.
There's a sheriff.
I did that.
What is the temperature? 31.
It changes
Yep.
every
31.
Okay, I know. I figured it out, right? Tell me if it's wrong or right.
Well, you can feel it.
No, just tell me if it's wrong.
Bye-bye.
None.
See, now look at the snow here.
Not as deep.
Not as deep.
I've got to go like this. So that.
We still got some.
It was crazy because this morning it said it was going to be like 0.82 inches.
Right.
And then it like kept snowing, and I'm like, that's past 0.82 inches. And then it like kept snowing. It's like, oh my.
And when I was meeting with Abe, we looked at the weather and it was like only said rain for the next 4 hours. And it said it was going to be 34 degrees.
Okay.
It was wrong, Brooke. It was wrong. Okay, well, that wasn't a super interesting drive, but it is snowing.
Which one? All of them.
Very snowy.
No, touch one.
I have arrived. Who have arrived?
I've been cheating. It's been like this every single time.
Look, there's berries on the tree and green leaves and snow.
Wait, can I come out for a second?
No, you get all wet and
Well,
snowy
I have
and
to
mushy.
switch with Mom.
Well, you can get out and switch with Mom. That's different than getting out for a minute.
Are you taking your drone?
Goodbye.